Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video you can see my son Atharva is studying in Euro school. He is having learning and Euro OSS PTM today. So let's go and watch. In this video, two-digit subtraction with regrouping is explained by my son Atharva Arya. Sometimes when we subtract, the top number in the ones place is smaller than the bottom number, then we use regroup or borrow from the tens place to help. For example, there are 24 bats with Mr. Wilson. Tarun bought only 17 bats from Mr. Wilson. How many bats left? In tens place, I wrote 2, ones place 4, so total 24 minus 17. Here, in the ones place, 4 is less than 7. So, 210 is equal to 110 plus 10 ones. Add 10 ones plus 4 is equal to 14 ones. So, we get the answer 7. Thus, there are 7 bats left. Here, my son got one surprise example of subtracting. So he did that. After that, he is explaining two-digit subtraction with regrouping to the sum of friends' parents. What is this? -7.
I want. Come. One. What are you? Mensinkai. What?
Chicken.
What are you? Mensinkai, say.
Mensinkai.
Mensinkai. Okay, you red chilies, come here. You 4 are chilies who are celebrating pumpkin. As soon as pumpkin comes, there is a body shaming happening. Okay? There is one badnekai, brinjal. Yeah? Come, brinjal. Shame them. Okay, you want to be brinjal? Okay? And go serve. You serve them. Okay, money. And you need to go and give tambulas.
Bad Atharva.
Turn. Okay, hands like this. No time. Party ಮಾಡಿದ್ವು ಚಪ್ರಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಚಪ್ರ ಹಾಕಿ ತರಕಾರಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ
in our schools, in our homes, and we really itch to our children to take it ahead. So I hope everybody enjoyed the session. I loved it. And I hope we just continue this tradition of storytelling. Thank you so much for doing this.